Welcome back everyone to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. Today we are on The Crush of Love by Kenneth Schalk from January 29th, 1996. As you can see, I'm back to my previous implementation after the kind of ill-fated experiment with the iPhone live stream function. And I think I'm going to be sticking with this for the foreseeable future. So, actually, let's turn on the script too. Okay. See how this one goes. Alright. So spawned in almost underwater. Just dropped down right into the water. Looks like a pretty simple arena. I don't have equipment right now. I don't know what the switch does. I don't see anything indicated on the map. At least I get some kickback weapons down here. Is this all there is? I still don't know what the switch does. I just hit the switch again. Maybe it doesn't do anything. I'm not sure. Okay, so there's another room. I imagine it's the same on the other side. Before I go out there, see if there are any secret doors. No. Slow opening door too. Alright, got one run kill. What the hell? For some reason I can't switch weapons. I want to switch to my fist, but the scroll wheel isn't working for some reason. That's weird. So maybe I'll look into it after this. Get that one. Just the other side. Switch position differently. Okay, same thing over here, but I still don't know what the switches do. Well, I guess it looks like, according to the map, they're platforms. So maybe the switch lowers them? Like maybe if I were to start over, try playing this again, and try going here without hitting the switch first, the result will be different. I don't know if that's even covered in the description on the Bungie archives or not. Okay, let's see what happens if yeah, nothing really seems to change. Maybe the switches don't do anything. Maybe they're just some kind of weird dupe or something that was unfinished. Wouldn't surprise me because this is a pretty basic level, which isn't inherently bad, but it seems like there could be at least a bit more. Yeah, I'm not sure. Alright, well that's the level. I'm going to explore it again, try and test that idea about the switches, this time without bots, just so that I'm uninterrupted. So if we go here, no, it's the same thing, so who knows. Maybe I'll look at it in a Wayland behind the scenes and cover this again in the next video if there's something more I see. I probably could have done with a lot of levels for that matter. Maybe I'll make it customary from here on out to look at maps in advance, or maybe even just afterwards, see if there's anything that I missed. We'll see about it. But anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, let's see what we have next up. I think it's just one level, right? Yeah, just one. We will go to Le Chasse by Richard Bushy from the same day. We'll see you then. Bye.